It's day 3 of the monsoon session of Parliament, and already there are notices that are now being issued on part of the opposition MPs seeking a demand for discussing NEET UG question paper leak. And this is coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. MP Sanjay Singh has now given a suspension of business notice in the Rajya Sabha with a demand to discuss NEET UG question paper leak, the failure of public examination system, police action against the protesters, and also on the health of Sonam Wangchuk. So let's connect with Kritika again. Kritika, last 2 days, complete washout. The opposition again being a part of the disruptions. The government says they are ready for a debate and discussion.
Well, yes, in fact, we've seen this adjournment motion be moved by Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh. Remember, yesterday also he'd spoken on the same as well. He'd been reiterating that discussion, firstly, on NEET irregularities as well as on the health of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, as well as the police crackdown on protesters need to take place. And even today, we've seen the same, in fact, slew of motions that will be raised in. Of course, the last two sessions, last 2 days have also been sort of a washout with the constant protests that have been happening also at the back of the CJP gathering at the Jantar Mantar as well. We also saw, in fact, the Congress party yesterday in an unprecedented move protest outside 7 LKM, and they've again earlier called for a discussion on NEET, later added the clause for the resignation of Education Minister, which so far has been termed as using students and exploiting students for political motivations by the government. So it remains to be seen what really transpires today, because of course the opposition continues to be steadfast in the demand for the resignation of for the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, while the government continues to say that it is the opposition that is not giving a date in the Parliament wherein they would like to, wherein in fact they would want to formally discuss the issues regarding NEET. The government says that they're 100% committed, in fact, to address and to deliver accountability and address all concerns coming into students, that they're keeping students' interests in mind, and that is their first priority. However, the opposition again continues to accuse them, whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT, on the lines of inaction or not enough action as far as accountability is concerned for the NEET paper leaks as well as the suicides that followed.
So we'll see exactly what transpires today on day 3 of the Parliament there. Please to stay on with us, Kritika, because we're going to talk about as far as the Congress's protest outside the Prime Minister's residence is concerned, led by Rahul Gandhi in the opposition. Right from the protest side, Rahul Gandhi put out a public call for reinforcements, urging every patriotic Indian who believes that students deserve justice to join his dharna. Rahul Gandhi's invitation was aimed at the entire opposition. However, except Akhilesh Yadav, no one else turned up. The rest of the Vipaksh shows a different stage as leaders such as Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray and Arvind Kejriwal all converged at Jantar Mantar.
দরকার হলে ককরোচের প্রোগ্রামে আমি নিজেও যাব, কারণ আমাদের সমর্থন প্রথম থেকেই ছিল, আছে এবং থাকবে।
शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से बच्चे संसद की ओर जाना चाहते थे, उनके ऊपर बुरी तरह से डंडे बरसाए गए। कई बच्चों का सर फट गया, कई बच्चों के हड्डियां टूट गई, पैर टूट गया, हाथ टूट गए। बहुत ही बर्बरता के साथ मोदी जी ने अपने बच्चों पे हमला कराया। बच्चे केवल ये मांग रहे थे कि पेपर लीक नहीं होने चाहिए। एक तो मोदी जी एक नाकाम प्रधानमंत्री हैं जिनसे एक पेपर नहीं कराया जाता। इस तरह से डंडे बरसाना ठीक नहीं है। मोदी जी को बहुत ज्यादा अहंकार हो गया है, इतना अहंकार करना ठीक नहीं है।
But to Rahul Gandhi surprised the decision to launch a parallel protest after remaining absent from the CJP agitation, and Sonam Wangchuk's almost month-long fast has raised eyebrows, with the Aam Aadmi Party alleging that this is an attempt to hijack the original movement, shift the spotlight away from Jantar Mantar protest and hand the BJP exactly which is a political diversion. Now the Congress, however, seems to be clearly dismissing the charge and the allegation that is now coming in from the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party such as Sanjay Singh and also former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, who now seems to be saying that conveniently as the Congress and the BJP are the two sides of the same coin. Meanwhile, when we speak of of reactions that have been coming in, the politics over CJP Dharna and Rahul's Dharna seems to have now turned into a three-cornered fight, with the BJP also hitting back, the BJP claiming that Aam Aadmi Party is upset over Jantar Mantar stir after being overshadowed by the Congress, effectively an admission that the CJP is a political proxy.
कौन बीजेपी को धरने को कमजोर करने के लिए सीजेपी के
कौन संजय सिंह
आम आदमी पार्टी के
अरे छोड़ो यार किसी सीरियस आदमी का सवाल
कौन बीजेपी को धरने को कमजोर करने के लिए सीजेपी के
कौन संजय सिंह
आम आदमी पार्टी के
अरे छोड़ो यार किसी सीरियस आदमी का सवाल
Well, Sabya, whatever played out yesterday, the dharna, the demonstration, and then also the detention, now the political party seems to be sparring between themselves.
Well, that's right. When Rahul Gandhi yesterday did the protest outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, several of the opposition parties, in fact, extended their support. Akhilesh Yadav was there at the spot. Supriya Sule of the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, she was also there. A certain member of Parliament from the RJD was also present outside, and the Trinamool Congress also, Abhishek Banerjee, has extended his support to the Congress party and to leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now it seems that there are certain differences within the India bloc, but if you talk about the Aam Aadmi Party, it has long back said that we are not part of the India bloc, and Congress have been maintaining a very measured response as far as the CJP is concerned, because until Sonia Gandhi intervened and asked the party high command that they should extend their support, we saw letters from Mr. K.C. Venugopal and also Pawan Kheda meeting the CJP leaders, but the Aam Aadmi Party have been blaming the Congress party that they are overshadowing the CJP protest here in the national capital, and they are blaming that the Congress very conveniently got permission to protest outside the residence of Prime Minister, whereas the CJP leaders did not get the permission to march towards the Parliament. So the war of words only is going to extend in the Parliament, because today is the third day of the monsoon session. Once again, it's going to be washout, because already several adjournments have come in, and out of the differences that we've seen within the Congress, the DMK and the Aam Aadmi Party, clearly this is going to escalate.
Is it now becoming more political than what the protesters actually wanted? Because please to stay on with us, Sabya, the politics over CJP Dharna versus Rahul Gandhi's Dharna has now turned into this three-cornered slugfest. And as we talk about when we speak of the leader of opposition, because they were present at the Prime Minister's doorstep, a high security zone, barely 24 hours after the CJP protest that erupted in chaos, and the Congress and the opposition allies have launched another high-voltage demonstration. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, who led the protest at 7 Lok Kanyag Marg, demanding Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation first. But according to the government side, they wanted a debate on discussion on the NEET issue in Parliament, to which the government agreed. So in a breaking update, Rahul Gandhi has also launched a sharp attack on the centre over the NEET paper leak, questioning the Prime Minister's silence on this, where the LOP says that the education system has been hollowed out, and this came in after he was released after his brief detention.
This morning I went and met the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and I said to him that it was important that we be allowed to debate what happened to the students the day before. The Speaker said he needed to take permission from the government, but it was very clear to us in the hours after that that there was no interest in the government of having a debate. So हमने decision लिया कि हम प्राइम मिनिस्टर के घर के सामने जाके धरना करें और जो स्टूडेंट्स की इशू है, जो देश के लिए सबसे जरूरी इशू है और जो उनके खिलाफ किया गया है, वो हम नेशनल अटेंशन में लाएं और प्राइम मिनिस्टर का घर के सामने जाके करें. Why is the Indian education system collapsing? Why are papers leaking? Why is education so expensive in India? Why do families have to destroy themselves financially to educate their children? These are legitimate questions. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with asking these questions. Students की मांगे हैं, पहला धर्मेंद्र प्रधान और अमित शाह का रेजिग्नेशन, दूसरा कि स्टूडेंट्स को जिन्होंने मारा है, जिन्होंने ह्यूमिलिएट किया है, उन पर एक्शन लिया जाए और जो भी स्टूडेंट्स पर केसेस हैं उनको हटाया जाए. फाइनली पूरी ऑपोजिशन चाहती है कि ये जो इशू है, देश का सबसे बड़ा इशू है, इस पे कल लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में डिबेट हो और हम अपनी बात रख सकें. मेरा मोदी जी से एक सजेशन है, एज एलओपी, कल जो हुआ, जो आपकी सरकार ने, आपके होम मिनिस्टर ने किया, उसके लिए आप देश के स्टूडेंट से माफी मांगिए और जल्दी से जल्दी एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम और एजुकेशन सिस्टम्स पर रिफॉर्म शुरू कीजिए. आप सब ने हमारा समर्थन किया. सारे लोग जो स्टूडेंट्स की इशू के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, एक साथ लड़ रहे हैं. मैं आप सबका दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं.
But the dharna that was swiftly stopped by the police as dramatic scenes unfolded outside the high security zone. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, several opposition leaders were detained, with the visual showing Rahul Gandhi being carried away by the security personnel as the protest ended in yet another face-off between the opposition and the Delhi police.
That the government will value one corrupt minister more than the children of India, subverting the constitution. They are taking chances with children's lives. They're unleashing violence.
Therefore, we had come here to tell to him that the education minister must resign. He should dismiss the education minister. There should be action against the Delhi police, who is the home minister is responsible for it. Mr. Modi is responsible for it.
हमारी मांग सीधी मांग है, सरल सी मांग है. हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा में ने इस मांग की है, नेता प्रतिपक्ष राज्यसभा में ये मांग की है. गृह मंत्री आए, दोनों सदनों में बयान दें, उस पर चर्चा हो. जिस तरीके से हमारे लोकतंत्र और हमारे संविधान पर हत्या हो रही है, जो कहेंगे कि कोई चारा बचा नहीं, संसद में आप बोलते नहीं, बहस करा नहीं रहे, तो क्या करें? सड़क पे बैठना पड़ रहा, सड़क पे आना पड़ रहा. छात्रों व पूरा देश में ज्वलित थे. 900 लोग तो बॉम्बे में गिरफ्तार किए छात्र. यहाँ जिस तरह से पीटा,
नहीं, इसके अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा. हमारे नेता बैठे हुए हैं अभी. हम लोग अभी जब तक उनका फैसला होगा तब तक बैठे रहेंगे. हम लोग लगातार बोल रहे हैं, कोई तरीका सुनने का नहीं समझने में आ रहा है कि ये लोग किसी तरह से समझ पाए. ये लोग सुनने को तैयार नहीं है.
जब जब मोदी डरता है, पुलिस को आगे करता है. जब जब मोदी डरता है, जब जब मोदी डरता है, पुलिस को आगे करता है. जब जब मोदी डरता है.
So after hours of high political drama in the heart of the national capital, the detained opposition leaders were eventually released. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav and several other opposition bloc leaders who were released after being held briefly by the Delhi police.
देखिए, मेरे भाई बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, वो बर्दाश्त कर लेंगे जो भी है. Right to protest is a fundamental right, and no government has the right to suppress that right. This is a democracy. This is a democracy which belongs to the people. It belongs to the youth. Parliament belongs to the youth. We are elected by them. And we cannot continue like this without a discussion. We cannot continue without change. We cannot continue ignoring them. And certainly, it is unacceptable that they should be beaten in the way they were beaten yesterday. It is unacceptable. And we do not accept it. We will fight for them. We will fight with them.
Now, when we speak of the Congress, they say that it wasn't just another protest, it was a protest with a purpose. According to the party, the dharna outside the Prime Minister's residence was aimed at pressing 4 specific demands before the government. Wish list that included the resignation of the Education Minister, also saying that they want discussion on the police action, discussion in both houses of Parliament over the paper leak, and a discussion that needs to happen in the presence of the Home Minister. Meanwhile, let's talk of Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Education Minister. He has now accused Rahul Gandhi and the Congress of politicizing the NEET issue and using students as political tools to disrupt the ongoing monsoon session of Parliament. He says that the centre was prepared to hold a comprehensive discussion on NEET in Parliament, but alleged it is the Congress which chose to protest outside the Prime Minister's residence instead of participating in a debate. Now, in the meantime, let's get you the responses that is coming in from the other side of the opposition as we talk about the TMC as well, which is now taking on the Education Minister and his recent response to Rahul Gandhi and the other opposition leaders' detention. And this is how leaders from the TMC now seems to be taking up the issue and asking questions to the Union Education Minister. And despite when it comes to all the dharna pradarshan that happened yesterday, barely very few of the opposition leaders that actually made it to participate in Rahul Gandhi's protest. The others who were seen lining up at Jantar Mantar, we've seen the likes recently, such as TMC leaders we have seen when it comes to Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar as well. So this is what Mahua Moitra has to say on Dharmendra Pradhan's post, saying that with all due respect, have some shame and spare us the bhashans. The only thing that your government should be committed delivering right now is your resignation on a plate. So again, when it comes to the one demand and the united demand that seems to be coming from the opposition is seeking the resignation of the Education Minister. Let's connect once again with Sabyasachi, but in the meantime, we also talk about what had happened as far as the government's outreach to Rahul Gandhi yesterday. Now, meeting him outside the Prime Minister's residence was Union Minister Jitendra Singh, and he was at the site of the Congress protest. He held discussions with Rahul Gandhi. Now, according to the Union Minister, Rahul Gandhi first demanded the discussion on NEET in Parliament, and the government, however, said that it is ready to hold a debate in the House, but according to the Union Minister, Rahul Gandhi then changed his demand.
ये ज्ञात हुआ कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और अन्य वरिष्ठ नेता जैसे श्री राहुल गांधी, श्रीमती प्रियंका गांधी, श्री वेणुगोपाल जी इत्यादि अकस्मात धरने पर जा बैठे और ये भी बताया गया कि वो स्थान धरने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अनुकूल नहीं है, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा असुविधा हो रही है जनसाधारण को। तो इन नेताओं की वरिष्ठता को देखते हुए सरकार की ओर से ये फैसला हुआ कि मैं स्वयं और मेरे संग केंद्रीय गृह सचिव वरिष्ठ नेताओं से मिले और हम ये सोच करके गए थे हम बड़ी विनम्रता से अपनी बात रखेंगे, तर्क रखेंगे कि सरकार से अगर चर्चा कर ली जाए बैठ करके तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है। बहरहाल वहाँ पहुँचने पर हमें श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने ये आग्रह किया कि यदि सरकार संसद में चर्चा के लिए तैयार हो जाती है नीट और उसके साथ संबंधित शिक्षा संबंधित विषयों को लेकर के तो वो तुरंत अपना धरना समाप्त कर देंगे।
So as far as today's proceedings in the House are concerned, day 3 of the monsoon session of Parliament, what we are learning that the Congress MPs are likely to hold another protest wearing black attire. The Congress after meeting this meeting that is expected to happen at Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber, and remember the president of the Congress party and the LOP in the Rajya Sabha was also present yesterday with Rahul Gandhi when the protest was happening at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. So Nyamika, as a sign of protest, Congress MPs will be wearing black today.
Well, yes, indeed, the Congress party has made it very clear that they are going to continue to raise this particular demand for the resignation of the Union Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. We have seen that how yesterday the Congress party's MPs as well as the Chief Ministers had sat on a dharna just outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as this protest was being led by Mr. Rahul Gandhi yesterday, and today as well the Congress party's MPs have taken a decision that they are going to wear a black attire as a mark of protest against the government government of India, and even they are going to do a protest just in front of Makar Dwar. But firstly, there is going to be a meeting of all these MPs at 10 o'clock at the chamber of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, from where they will proceed for this particular protest at Makar Dwar. As we have seen that how the Congress party has been continuously demanding that there should be a resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, and in fact the conversation which had taken place yesterday between Mr. Jitendra Singh and Mr. Rahul Gandhi, after that only the Congress had stated that the government is not ready to have a discussion. The kind of conversation which had taken place between the two leaders, in that particular conversation as well, it was Mr. Jitendra Singh who had stated that if the opposition wants to raise a demand for a discussion,
the government has already said that we are ready for a debate and discussion, but please stop the disruption and the dharna. And that is the appeal that has come in from the government side. Remains to be seen what happens today, as far as there is a floor strategy meeting that will also happen at the chambers of the opposition leader Mallikarjun Kharge. Thanks, Nyamika, for that update. We also talk about how the BJP has launched a counter attack on Rahul Gandhi, accusing him of turning democratic protest into a political theatre. BJP chief Nitin Nabin has questioned the conduct of the LOP, says it is unbecoming of a Congress leader.
आज जिस प्रकार से नेता प्रतिपक्ष राहुल गांधी ने कृत्य किया है वो पूरी तरह से अशोभनीय है, निंदनीय है। नेता प्रतिपक्ष जिस गरिमा का पद है उस पद को भी राहुल गांधी जी गंभीरता से नहीं लेते हैं। इस बात का आज पूरा उनके व्यवहार से दिखा।
और आज हम सब ने देखा कि राहुल गांधी किस प्रकार से अपने नेताओं के साथ, कांग्रेस पार्टी के कई नेताओं के साथ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आवास के गेट के बाहर उन्होंने अचानक ही धरना दिया। लोकतंत्र में धरना देना, प्रदर्शन करना, यह लोकतंत्र का गहना होता है, मगर कहां प्रदर्शन करना, किस प्रकार से प्रदर्शन करना, प्रदर्शन के क्या नियम होते हैं, what are the rules of protests, what are the rules under which the country functions, यह LOP को मालूम होना चाहिए।
Well, that seems to be the pictures, the protest and the brief detention that was carried out today, being the third day of the monsoon session. The opposition is arming itself. Already suspension of business notices that have been issued in Parliament. Remains to be seen how day 3 unfolds as we continue to get you the live updates right here on Times Now.